Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you can guess what this natural ingredient is. If you can, comment below. This natural ingredient is very easy to find. You can find it in your local grocery store or your local market. It is super affordable and it comes in a powder form or in the flour form like so. There are so many uses for this natural ingredient. And in today's video, I'm going to show you one best way that you can use hibiscus flowers to benefit your hair growth. Hey you all, thank you for being here. If you are new here, I appreciate you stopping by, and if you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I love you. Thank you for always coming back to support me. And you know how we do it here. We show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join us. You're gonna love this channel and you're gonna learn a lot. And hey, do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So this is black seeds. Black seeds are really great when it comes to treating your scalp and also growing your hair. Black seed has vitamins and minerals that is going to prevent dandruff and also strengthen your hair strands. If you find it difficult finding any of these natural ingredients, you can always check in the description box. I have a link to all my favorite hair products and also some of the natural ingredients I use for my hair. So feel free to use that link to purchase some for yourself. My next natural ingredient is rosemary herbs. A lot of you have used rosemary and you yourselves can testify how powerful this natural ingredient is. But if you haven't tried rosemary in your hair care routine, then you are missing out on something good. Rosemary is one of the natural ingredients that you can easily find in any store and also super affordable. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. It's going to increase the health of your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. It also improves blood circulation to the scalp, and this will in return help you grow new healthy hair. Using rosemary regularly in your hair care routine will prevent hair shedding, hair fall, and even split ends. It has so many uses and has so many benefits, so if you haven't tried it, make sure you give it a try. At this point, I just added some water to these ingredients. There were no specific measurements that I used. Too much or too less, again, I always tell you, will not hurt your hair because all these are natural ingredients. No chemicals added to them. And that is why I love my DIYs. Once you have them together like so, you're going to pop it on the stove and allow it to boil together for about 8 to 10 minutes. You don't have to allow it to boil for so long. The hibiscus is really potent, and just with a little heat, it is going to release all the nutrients. So once you see that color change, turn off that stove and set it aside. Be patient and allow it to cool down. Once everything is cooled down, do not forget to strain that recipe because you do not want all those little particles of the black seeds as well as the rosemary getting stuck in your hair. And after having this, there are a few ingredients you need to add to maximize the benefit of this recipe. The first ingredient I'm going to add is my olive oil. Y'all know I love my olive oil. Olive oil will strengthen your hair strands. It is lightweight, so it doesn't weigh down your hair. And you don't need much, just about a tablespoon is enough for 1 bottle of hairspray. You can also use any oil of your choice. Avocado oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. These oils are all great for the hair. You also can add some vitamin E oil. This is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. But if you want to purchase it, you can also check in the link in my description box. Adding vitamin E oil will only add to the benefits of this recipe. So I just like to add about a capsule of it, or if you have the one that is in a bottle, just add a few drops to the recipe. I also love to add my essential oils to my DIYs. Again, it maximizes its benefit. So just a few drops will go a long way. Essential oils will also treat your scalp, make your scalp area healthy to stimulate new healthy hair growth. You don't know, when you buy these store-bought products, they have a whole lot of chemicals and other things added to them. It's just to maximize its benefits. But since we are not doing chemicals, we are going natural, you need to add some natural ingredients to maximize the benefit of any DIY that you use. At this point, our recipe is ready, so I'm just transferring it into the bottle and I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to boost your hair growth. But before getting into that, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. And thank you for doing all that. So once you have your recipe in a spray bottle like so, always make sure you leave it in the refrigerator because you don't want it to go bad. Also, leaving it in the refrigerator will increase its lifespan and also make it fresh each time you use it. You can always warm it up a little bit before spraying it on your hair if you wish. Also, if you have excess, you can keep it in the deep freezer to freeze it. And whenever you're ready to use it, just allow it to melt and you will have your recipe nice and fresh. But if you leave it in a regular refrigerator, you have to make sure to discard it after 5 days. You can apply this as a hair rinse, that is on your wash day. After everything, you've washed your hair, conditioned your hair, pour this all over your hair and massage it into your hair strands and onto your scalp. Leave it in for about 30 minutes, then just rinse it out with regular water. Go ahead to moisturize your hair. You can also apply this twice a week as a leave-in. When you do that, make sure you massage it in and apply a leave-in conditioner. Make sure to be consistent for faster results.